Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are all well. In the previous video, we are we made payment functionality. So how to execute the payment, how to create the payment, how to get the client secret, we all know that things in the previous video. Now in this video, whenever we place the order, we have to store that order details inside our MongoDB. And then after we have to retrieve that data also. So this video is going to be an interesting video. So let's go. So in the last video, we made successfully a payment integration. So like this, whenever I click this, proceed to checkout, add a product or add an address is here, landmark, and deliver to this address, type a dummy account number. Okay, I made a mistake here. Dummy account number 424242 and deliver to this address. And whenever we place an order, we navigate back to the home page also. So payment successful and we navigate to the home page, and when we see that thing, our transaction is also appearing in a stripe also. As you can see, whenever I refresh, now you can see the transactions are also appear now, and the latest transaction is the 1,19,000. As you can see, this is the latest transaction. So whenever we place the order, we have to store that particular order detail in our MongoDB database. So how we can do that thing? So for that, here we are going to create another API to add order details. Okay, so see here, go to app.post, then the API. So here I type orders.add, and then reqres, and after that, here we are going to do like this. So const products is equals to rec.body.basket, and then price equals to rec.body.price, then const email is equals to rec.body.email. Similarly, address is equals to rec.body.email, and save it. Okay, I made a mistake here. We don't want this. Okay, now everything works perfectly nice. Okay, here something wrong. Okay, we have to remove something here. Okay, and save it. Okay, now go to our order API. Now whenever we place, here we have to create a order detail is equals to, we don't want it. We need it. So products equals to product, price equals to price, address equals to address, and email equals to email, and save it. Now we are going to do a console. So console.log order detail is going to be a order detail. Save it. Now we have to run this API in our payment function below this alert. So first of all, we have to remove this alert. Okay, alert, and here we are going to do axios dot post, and we have to navigate to this route orders dot add, and we have to type products equal basket equals to basket, price equals to get basket total, in which basket as a parameter, email is equals to user dot email, and then address is going to be an address, and we access the address from our context API using use state value. Okay, understand it? Now we run this API and execute it. So whenever we place the order, you can see the everything delivered to this address. So we've created the payment here, 424242424242, place a order. So we right now place the order. It will processing, and you can see here in the terminal we get the order details with the products having an Apple iPhone 13 who price, image, rating also. Now we have to store this order detail in MongoDB. So for that, first of all, we have to create a sigma for our order. So just type order.js, okay, orders.js, and save it. Now first of all, we have to import mongoose is equals to required mongoose. Okay, now here we are going to create a sigma, ordered sigma is equals to mongoose dot sigma, and then price, which is going to be a number, products, here the products we are going to store is an array. Okay, so the products is an array of a object, means different object. There is a lots of data, lots of products inside this array. Email is going to be a string, and here address is going to be an object, Okay, so we created the sigma. We have to export this sigma. Module.exports is equals to mongoose, and here we are going to create our model, mongoose.model orders, and this order is use order schema, and save it. So that's it guys, we created the order sigma here. Now we have to use that sigma to add the product detail inside our MongoDB. So here instead of this console, we are going to use order. Here we have to import order from order. So const order is equals to require order orders. Okay, here we are going to use s orders, and then go to the our order API. Now here orders dot create, and here we are going to use our order detail, and by creating it we get an error, and the result as a callback function So if error occurs, we have to console it, console.log error. Okay, else console.log result is going to be a result, means order added. Here order added to database, and save it. So here we add the orders. So whenever we place the order like iPhone and the iWatch, go to this, proceed to checkout, add the address is here, and then landmark, and deliver to this address, and then 4242424242. Again we made a mistake here, 4242424242, and place a order. So here we place the order, waiting for Stripe, and whenever order placed, now you can see the result, order added to database. Now we go to our database, refresh it, and as you can see, order is now appearing, which having an array, which having an object details of every product, price, email address. Okay, here we provide something wrong, because in the address we just get email address. Why? So here in the address we made something wrong. So here in address we type address and save it. So we have to remove that detail here, and again we have to run the payment. So again we add to cart, proceed to checkout, phone number, deliver to this address, type card number, and place a order. So this will take some time to place an order. And now you can see order is placed. Go to our database, and you can see in our database the orders is now appearing, having an address, phone number, flat, area, city, state. Okay, now we have to retrieve this data. And create it like this. This is our orders that we placed here. Now first of all we have to create the orders page here in our front end. Then we have to create a API to get the orders, and then we place that order. Okay, so first of all go to our front end, and in front end go to source file, and inside that source folder, in the components folder, create a new file called orders.js and save it. Here rfce create a style component container is equals to style dot div. Okay, use that container here, import this container style component, and here type h1 order page. Okay, now we have to create a route here for our order page. So as simply as this, paste it orders, and instead of these orders, and save it. So everything works perfectly nice. So whenever we click on this return an order button, we navigate to the orders page. For that, we just want to now go to nav bar, click on this nav button inside which returns and order are placed. So on click navigate to orders page. Okay, so whenever I click on this, we navigate to the order page. So now we are going to design our orders page. So orders dot js from front end. So here first of all we have to import navbar and save it. So navbars appear now. Now here we are going to create a main component, main style component, const main is equals to style dot div. Okay, now inside this style dot div there is an order container. This is the order container, sorry, order details. This is the order details, and this is the order basket. Okay, so here inside the main we are going to create order container. So we have to create that container in style component also, const pasted style dot div, save it. Now inside this ordered container we are going to use h2 here order your orders, and save it. And inside these orders h2 we are going to use here create order detail container. So we have to create that container, const order detail style dot div, understand it. Now inside this order detail, so this is the order detail container, this is the order detail container, and this is the order basket. Okay, so we are going to use order address component here, address component in which our shipping address is there. So we have to create this container also. So const style dot div. Okay, we just created that container. Now inside that container, inside this order address component, we are going to use h4 shipping address, and then a div, where which we are going to place our shipping address. So first the full name, so Pradyuman Patel, and then again a p tag for phone number or flat. So just randomly I type Burj Khalifa, and then P, Dubai. Again we want P, so Dubai, and in the state is going to be a UAE, and then the phone number. So just type phone and then the number. So 123456789 and save it. So the address is appear now. Now after that here we are going to create a order basket here. So just create it here, and const order basket is equals to a div, and save it. Now inside this order basket we are going to use H4 for order, then the P tag for subtotal is going to be this, and then the rupee symbol, and then this type 19990 and save it. And this will be going in a span 11900 and save it. Okay, after that here we are going to create a products container. Okay, and here we are going to create a products container, or we can use the row, as you can see. So this is the row that we use in the payment page. So just simply go to the payment page and copy this product and paste it here, and instead of this we are going to use hard coded for some time until we designed it. Hard coded product title is going to be this. Oh, okay, we want this thing in a string. Okay, then the price is going to be a hard coded 3499 and save it. So everything works perfectly nice. Now we have to copy the style component for that product image and description. So just copy it and paste it here and save it. Now go to the page and you can see that everything works perfectly nice. Now here we are going to create some changes here to our container and main component. So the width going to be a 100% here. Height is going to be a fit a content. Max width is going to be a 400 pixel. Margin auto. Background color RGB 234 237 237. Save it. Now border 1 pixels. Sorry, we don't want border here. So everything works perfectly nice here. Now go to the main folder. Here we want mean width going to be 100 VW. Height or mean height going to be 100 VH. display flex, justify contain center. Okay, now go to orders container, provide a padding of 15 pixel, margin top 15 pixel, background color hashtag FFF, width going to be a 95%. Here we don't want a margin here, we just want a padding here. Okay, and then after in container we are going to be a h2, font weight going to be a 500, border radius border bottom 1 pixel, solid light gray, padding bottom 15 pixel, padding bottom 15 pixel. So everything works perfectly nice. Now go to order detail. We want border bottom 1 pixel, solid light gray. Okay, now go to the address component, provide margin top 20 pixel. Okay, now go to div, margin top 10 pixel, margin left going to be a 10 pixel, and the font size P going to be a 14 pixel, and margin top 10 pixel, oh sorry 4 pixel. Okay, now go to order basket. Similarly we want margin top 20 pixel. Okay, p tag wants font size 15 pixel, margin left 15 pixel, margin top 15 pixel, and the span inside p tag going to be a font weight 600. So the font weight for price is increased now. So now everything works perfectly nice. Now everything looks better. Now we have to grab the order details and put it in our orders page, and this is responsive. As you can see guys, this is responsive, but here we made something terrible. Now go to our image section, whenever the width size of our window is increased. Okay, in simple words, whenever we change the device to tablet version, so the max width going to be 1200 pixel. So the image size going to be a width 17% only. So as you can see, the size decreased here. Otherwise we want here 15%. Okay, it's not working here. So we don't want anything responsive. So this is the thing that we want. So this is the image of our order. Okay, Here something wrong. Here we are going to provide 1.5 for our. Okay, now it's working. Now it looks perfectly nice. So everything works perfectly nice. Now whenever we navigate to the home page, or whenever we navigate to the mobile version, we have to change the size of this font. So go to here, @media, only screen, and max width. Only max width of 1200 pixel. We want the font size to be a 14 pixel. Okay, so you can see the font size is now decreased and everything looks perfectly nice now, according to the original order page of our demo. Now we have to use our order details to see in this order page. So for that, here we are going to use effect to fetch the product order detail, okay, and the empty string. So here we are going to use Axios from our file, and we have to, here first of all we have to create a get function, create an API. First of all we have to create an API which will gives us a order details, so here app.get orders dot get and this is also going to be a post because we have to get the order details of a specific user. So here we are going to use rec res const email, which we will get from the body rec body dot email, and then using our sigma we are going to find each and every order that is placed by the user whose email ID is this. Okay, so order find this error dot result so result, and then if error occurs, console.log error. Okay, else here we are going to filter our order details because every orders has a different email ID. As you can see here, if the another user place a order, then the email ID is changed now. So now here we have to filter the order of that particular user. So how we can achieve that thing? So create here const orders user orders is equals to result dot filter. Here we are going to use filter the user detail, and in which order going to be a order dot email. Order dot email is equals to the email that we get from the front end, and then we have to send this data to our front end using users orders. Okay, this is the thing from which we get the data. So we first of all we have to get the email id whose order we are going to fetch. Then we have to find the orders. Now if error occur, then we have to console it. Otherwise we have to filter all the orders to the particular user's order, and then we have to send that orders to the front end. Okay, now our api is created. Now go to our project or front end and type here axios dot post orders dot get. We get the orders as the by typing orders dot get, and then we have to provide email here. Email is equals to email. Okay, here we are going to use user dot email. Now here using context API we are going to access our user from context API using use state value. Okay, now save it. Okay, so email is not verified. So why? Okay, curly braces instead of these parentheses we want curly braces, and save it. Now everything works perfectly nice. Now after getting to this API we get the response as a response, and that response is going to be stored in a state variable called orders, and then set orders is equals to use state, and the initial must be an empty array, and then we get it here, and then we have to set the orders res dot data and save it. Okay, now we console it, console.log orders and save it. Now go to our page, console it, and as you can see here or array is appearing now, but it fails. The server responded with a status of 500, request failed with a status of 500. So we made some mistake here. So what that mistake is, we have to find it and execute it. Email is equals to this, order.email is equals to email, error, console it and send back to our app. Okay, order is not defined. Okay, here orders, not order, and save it. And then again we have to refresh our orders page. Now as you can see, empty array is not okay. Here we are going to appear our orders. So why it don't appear it? We get the empty array. Why? Okay, we have to run these orders outside the use state, and then you can see order is appearing, order is appearing, we place 3 orders: address, email, price, and products. Okay, so orders is now ready. As we can see, refresh it. As in our orders collection, you can see that there is a 3 orders, and we get the 3 orders here in our app also. 3 orders, understand? Now we have to wrap our app, oh sorry, orders container, order container with our orders. So for that, here in use order details, here we are going to do orders dot map order, and then this order detail, control X, and paste it here and save it. So as you can see, 3 orders are now appearing. Now here in this order basket, we have to again loop it, because in this order there is a basket. Okay, there is a basket. So here order dot products, order dot products dot map product, and then we are going to parentheses, and then we are going to copy this and paste it here and save it. Now everything blundered here. So what's the error here? Let's check it. So the cannot read properties of undefined map. So here there is something wrong here. So we have to check it. So everything works perfectly nice. So this is the object array in which products, okay, we made a spelling mistake here, typo, products. And now you can see each and every order has its 3 products. Now we have to change it here because this is hard coded. Now we are going to use product dot image URL and save it. Okay, here there is something wrong. I made it wrong here. I think console it array image, only image, not URL, only image, save it. Now the image is now appearing. Similarly, here we are going to use product dot title, save it. And similarly, we are going to use product dot price, and the price is also changed now. Now here instead of this, we are going to use order dot price, and the price according to order is changed now. Okay, so this is the thing that we want to do. This is the thing that we want to do. And here in the order detail, we want padding bottom 20 pixel. Okay, so everything works perfectly nice in the mobile version also, in the tablet version also, and this looks very nice. So whenever we add the products, whenever I order the single product and place it, and then just type here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 9. So here I had typed Ahmedabad, Gujarat, okay, Sabarmati River, and deliver to this address. So we create the payment. Pradyuman, Ahmedabad, Himmatnagar, Gujarat, etc. are appearing now. We are now going to 4 as a payment. Place a order. It will take us some time to place an order. And it will place it. Now you can check your orders in your orders page. As you can see the orders place. Now here you can see the address is hard coded, so we have to change it here. So like simple things like this here, instead of this Pradyuman Patel, we want order dot address dot full name. Save it. So everything works perfectly nice. Similarly, we want order dot address dot flat. Change it flat. Similarly, order dot address dot landmark. Save it. Okay, M capital landmark. Okay, not a landmark, area. Save it. Okay, it appearing, and then order dot address dot city, and similarly here order dot address dot state here, and then after we want it here order dot address dot phone, and save it. So everything works perfectly nice. So this is the, and every address is changed now. Now you can see here we have to provide some margin to order basket. Order basket, not, oh, we want some, okay, not order basket to the fund, and we are going to use here 3 instead of the 1.5. Now it looks very nice. So everything works perfectly nice. Okay, so this is the thing that we want to do in our order page. Now officially our Amazon clone app is now ready. But there is something that I want to do here. Suppose you are at a home orders page, and now you want to navigate to the home page. So you just click on this Amazon logo and you are navigate to the home page. So just simply go to navbar, and here on logo, on click navigate to home page. That's it, guys. So whenever we click on it, we navigate to the home page. So wait a second. Whenever we click on it, we navigate to the home page. Similarly, we want to do this thing in logging page. Suppose you are at a logging page and you want to navigate to the home page. So you just need to click on this Amazon button. So you just copy this on click statement, go to logging.js, logging.js and paste it in here. Similarly, if you want to go home page from sign up, so you just click on this logo and save it. So whenever you click on this, you navigate to the home page. Understand? So this is the thing that we want. Okay, so we have to revise our app now. Suppose you want to add the product, you just click on this search button and you can add the products. You have to sign in, then you just click on this button and then you sign in. If you want to sign out, you just want to click on this button and then sign out. Understand? Here we are going to remove this scroll bar. So how we can do that thing? So just you just need to go to app.js, and in here you just type height 100 vh, height 100 vh, and we are going to use here WebKit scroll bar. WebKit scroll bar display none. So this will remove the scroll bar. I think so, but it will not. Why? Okay, here end. Here we are going to type end here. Then it will remove the scroll bar, and here overflow y equals to scroll and save it. Now as you can see, scroll bar is now disappear. Now everything looks perfectly nice. So this is the thing, this is the gibberish thing happen. So everything works perfectly nice. Okay, that's it guys. So this is the Amazon clone that we have built. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, and thank you for watching guys.